Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn second chapter from your textbook page number 2, that is daydreams. Now what is daydreams? Half of you will say yeah, the dream which we see in day, that is the daydreams. Now this lesson is on the similar topic daydreams. Here in this lesson we are going to know about a couple. They were dreaming on daytime, and what they did after that, it is given in this lesson. This lesson is very interesting and very funny as well. So let's start with the lesson. Once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. One day the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. That means here it is given, once there used to live a couple, that is a husband and wife. Now they used to spend their lot of time in talking, idly talking. Then while talking, what a husband said that that he wanted to keep a cow. If he had money, he will buy a cow. So he was telling to her wife that if by chance he will get money from somewhere, so he will he will buy some cows after that. But that means a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bathe them, milk them. Cow needs a lot of looking after. One cow would be enough. There's no need to buy more cows, said the wife. Now what did the wife said after listening to his husband? That keeping a cow is not an easy task. It is not an easy task. We have to do a lot of work. We have to feed the cows, we have to take them for a walk, we have to bathe them, then also we have to take out the milk. Then it needs a more work. It needs a care, and a lot of time will be wasted in that. So you do one thing, you just buy one cow. These were the words said by the wife. But think of all the milk we'll get if we buy more, said the husband. So the husband told her that think of the milk that we will get from all those cows, what more we can do. So next what happens? That's true, the wife agreed. Now listening to these words, his wife agreed for taking more cows. Okay. Now this was the dream they were dreaming. There will be so much milk that we can even have plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. So what her wife said that if we will have more cow, we will also get milk. With that milk, we can also have plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. We can also make dahi, butter and ghee from that milk. Wouldn't it be lovely? How lucky that I have all these earthen pots kept aside. I'll use one of the pots for milk, one for dahi, one for butter, the ghee. I'll put it in another jar and I'll use this remaining pot to send milk to my sister. What she said, thankfully we are having a lot of earthen pot, correct? What I will do is I will keep one for dahi, one pot for butter, and for ghee we will do something else. We will take another jar and we will put dahi in that, and the rest of the earthen pots we have, I will send a milk to my sister in that. So listening to these words, His husband got shocked. Now, send milk to your sister? Who said you could send milk to your sister? He said, her husband said that, send milk to your sister? Who said you could send milk to your sister? He was asking, who told you that you can send the milk to your sister? There will be plenty of milk. If we have so many cows, why shouldn't I send it to my sister? The wife said, there will be a plenty of cow, so there will be a plenty of milk. So why shouldn't I send it to my sister? Why cannot I send to my sister? Now, because we are going to sell it in the market, that's why. What husband is telling, from all those milk will be collected and we will sell it in a market. That is the reason why you don't give it to your sister. I will decide what to do with all that milk. Here her husband is telling that I will only decide what we have to do with all of that milk, and not a drop of it goes to your sister, remember. Now here the fight starts. Now what happens, what her husband is telling, not even a drop of milk you can send to your sister. Now wife gets angry and says, I'll see how you can stop me from sending a pot full of milk to my dear sister. I do all the hard work running after the cow, so naturally I will decide what happens to the milk. Just try stopping me. And wife exclaimed. Now here the fight begins. So in very angry mood she said that, you will stop me? I'll see how you can stop me. I will send a pot of milk to my dear sister. I will be doing such a hard work for all these cows. So naturally I am only going to decide what we have to do from all those milk. Now next. So the husband also got angry, and let's see what happens next. Is that so? Shouted the husband. Husband shouted, is that so? You're going to do like this? Watch this then. He began to lift and smash the earthen pot one by one. His wife began to scream. Now what he did is, if you will do, he said very angrily, and he hold one stick and he started smashing all the earthen pots in anger. So his wife began to scream loudly. Now, one man named Gopal Band was passing by, heard all the commotion and rushed inside. Now, one stranger named Gopal Band, he listened to them and he then rushed inside their home and he said something. When he heard what happened, he picked up a stout stick that stood in a corner and began to swish it through the air and pound it on the floor. So what did Govind did? Gopal. What did Gopal did? That after hearing their conversation, he took a stake which was in the corner of their house. So he began to hold that stick and he began to swish it in the air and pound it on the floor. The husband and wife were both astonished to see his antics. Now, what he was trying to do, Husband and wife got shocked that what he is trying to do. What are you doing? They inquired. So they asked the Gopal that what you are trying to do. So next, what did Gopal said? Move aside, said Gopal. What did Gopal said? That you all move aside. I have to drive away your greedy cows. You have let them wandered and now they are ruining my field of beans and cucumbers. Oh, my lovely field of beans and cucumbers. Now, what strategy Gopal used? So, here Gopal said that look at your cows, that they are ruining my field. They are smashing all the beans and cucumber field of mine. So, my lovely field of beans and cucumber is been smashed by your greedy cows. These were the words said by Gopal. But you don't have a field of beans and cucumbers, said husband. So what did the husband said? But you too don't have a field of beans and cucumber. As soon as he said that, Gopal then stopped wielding the stick and looked at him and raised eyebrows. So after husband said that word to him, so he looked at that husband with a eyebrows, raised eyebrows. The husband and wife understood what he was trying to tell them. So they both of them got understood the strategy and trick that he used. And can you tell what he wanted to say? It is asked at last that can you all can say what happened and what they learned from that Gopal. So this was very interesting and funny lesson. You should go through it and enjoy. So that's it for today. If you like the video, please click a thumbs up button and also share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.